Ka kenhun kinong hika ad hoc ha ke jelah hapo ka lama jong ka FASTOM ha ke sengi balang kala kentho ba menta kim tip shu mano bale politik sia ke jingdawa ken tiu tulop jong kinong hikai hadu ba kila kier ban kendu markmat batki haba kren bar kilat pathai khubor hasilong press club unong ai ktien ke kenhun uba mebon lengdo uloong ba kila rai ba nadu ke sengi palei kin kendu lang haba secretariat bakin sim sakiwe pat kisin jam.
Why is the government of Meghalaya more interested in festivals? Why not in developing the teachers? Interested more in festivals? Maybe. There are so many different kinds of things that can come out of these festivals. So today we are tired. We cannot wait any longer. So tomorrow we have decided that at 12:30 p.m. we are going to launch another rally. And this rally, we will stay there outside of the Secretariat if the government allow us. And we will stay there, we will sleep there, we will eat there until the government is compelled to respond to us. We have asked for a dialogue with the Chief Minister. If the Chief Minister is not clear about all these things, why do we want to have a meeting with the Chief Minister so bad? The reason is because we want to make these things clear to him. That this is the amount of money that you have in the treasury. This is the amount of money that you have in the finance department. And why is this amount not coming to us? So we are just teachers. We have all of these statistics. Now you can ask me, from where did I get these statistics? Interesting fact that I would like to point here is, let's go to the political point of view, since everyone is so interested in politics. Why is the NPP government or the MDA government so adamant? I will respond here now. The MDA government is so adamant is because the NPP is looking for an absolute majority in the 2023 elections. Now, if we take a look at the portfolios that are being held, the education minister is from the UDP. Then the Chief Minister is from the NPP. The finance is being held by the NPP. Then the education sector is being held by the UDP. Now we can see this is the problem of a coalition government. There is a conflict of interest. We do not know who is playing politics here. Is it the education minister who is playing politics with us? Or is it the chief minister who is playing politics with us? But I want to make a statement clear here. We are not interested in the politics that are being played by the UDP or by the NPP. We are not interested by the politics that are being played by all these other political parties as well. The only thing that we are interested right now is we demand our rights. It is our right. We demand a state where we can live with dignity, with respect, where we will not have to go back to the streets. Yes, this is not the problem that has been started by the MDA government or by the NPP government. But this is a problem that has been there since a very long time. Since Mr. R.C. Lalu was the education minister, since Kong Amparin Lingdo was the education minister, and even before them. But I cannot speak of the ministers before them because I am too young to understand what politics is all about. So I will speak only from the time when Ba R.C. Lalu was there and Kong Amparin was there. Kong Amparin has tried to streamline. She has tried, and we respect that because she is also a teacher.